You're welcome. Huh? This one? That's right. Good job. There you go. Nope, not there.
Huh?
Not there. You gotta turn it around.
Okay.
Right there. Good job. Yeah. Ooh.
How does he know how to do this?
There we go. What is that?
A car.
It is a car. There you go.
That's all.
Mm-hmm.
A car.
No, you were right. You had it right. Last one.
A car.
Yep.
Good job, bud.
High five.
Ba.
High five.
A bike, you're
There's a
right.
bite.
Ba.
Buddy, can you do the other puzzle for me?
Which one do you want to do next, huh? Which one do you want to do next? You want to do this one? This is a tough one, buddy. It's a tough one. Okay, here you go. No, it doesn't go there. Where does it go? Yep.
Oh my gosh.
Yep. No, no, no. Where does it go? Yep. No, no, no. Right here.
You had it, buddy.
You gotta set it on the ground, pal. It helps a lot more. It's tough. There you go. No, not there. Nope. Helicopter. Look at it. Where does it go? Nope. Where does it go? In here. There you go. That one go. Yep. Good
Oh my
job.
gosh. It is. Good job, buddy. You're doing so great. You're welcome.
Oh, you want the plane? Where is the plane at? Oh, right here. Right there. Hmm? Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
It's the right
Good
spot,
job.
sweetie. Good job.
Yep.
It is right. Good job, honey.
That's right.
I think that is right. Where's your last spot,
Come on,
buddy?
buddy. Where does it go? Of course, yeah. What is it? Airplane. Okay, put it in. Airplane. Put it in.
It is an airplane. We see that, honey.
Yeah, turn it around. Turn it around. Keep turning. There you go.
Isaac, say all done.